Hello, everyone, and welcome to this IoT Solutions Summit 2020. Unboxing smart building success.
We are Haltian, so actually Halti is the highest peak in Finland as well. So one of our actually brand promises is that we take our customers and partners to the top.
And we're going to do that today with them. Welcome, James.
Hey, Andre. How you doing?
One, our customer said that we were asking that why they selected us. So they said that, well, your system just works.
My name is Tommy, and I'm here to talk about digital twin.
How does the lasagna have any relevance to IoT smart building solutions? How?
Empathic building is the digital twin that integrates the sensor and human-created content to the one user interface, which solves the daily problems of the end users.